Good morning guys, and great to see you all again. And today I'm going to show you how to take amazing sunrise images. Behind me you can see there's some color in the sky. I have my camera all set up. I'll be waiting a bit more because it's still a bit dark, and I hope you stick with me till the end of the video. I'll be showing you some filters I'll be using for sunrise. I'll be using a reverse grad filter, and I'll be using a soft grad filter also on top of each other. I'm going to wait a bit more until we have a bit more light, and I'll be showing you my camera setup. Here I'm using the Canon EOS R. I have a polarizer on the front. I haven't put any filters on yet, and I'll show you in the distance what we'll be shooting. This is my composition. We have these salt pans here, and in the background we'll be having a sunrise. The sky has gone red, and we have about another 10 minutes for sunrise. We're getting some amazing colors in the sky now. I'm gonna take another shot, and I'll be showing you the shot in the screen in a few seconds. I've got a 30-second exposure. It's still quite dark here. I'm gonna get my filters out, get them ready. You have to be fast for this kind of photography because everything happens in minutes. I'm going to use my reverse grad filter. What it is, you have the middle part of the filter is dark, and it slowly graduates lighter all the way up. Normally it starts dark and comes all the way down, starts getting lighter and lighter, but this is specially made for sunrises, since you have the horizon much brighter than the other parts of the image. I'll be taking another shot now before everything vanishes. I'm going to take you even closer, and I'll show you the shot I just took. The sky is about to explode. I'll take another shot. Always check your histogram. I'm on a 15-second exposure, f11 and ISO 100. Check your histogram all the time, and I'm gonna take another shot. Wait 15 seconds with me guys, and I'll show you the shot up on the screen. I've chosen another spot, and the sun, you can see it up in the distance, it's rising. I'm going to take another shot. Let me check the shot now. Yeah, I like it. Great. I'll be showing you on the screen as well, this one. The sun is going behind some clouds. I've got to be careful where I step. We have a trench here. Like I said before, I've got a reverse grad filter on the front and a polarizer. Always check your settings because the light changes quickly here during sunrise and sunsets. I'm still on f11 and an 8-second exposure and ISO 100. I'm going to take another shot, and the sun has risen above the horizon. The sun has disappeared behind some clouds now. I don't think it will be coming out now. I'll be editing this image at the end of the video if you want to check along with me. Thanks guys for spending the morning with me. It was a quick sunrise. Like I said, sunrises, you have to be quick. because they dissipate really quickly. Always be prepared and make sure you come early on the spot. Check out that reverse grad. It's a great filter. And I'll be editing the image during this video also. So check out my editing skills, and I hope you stick with me till the end of the video. Thanks, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in another video.